trailer lights work. Had an estimate of under 300, I think it was 280 or so, to have the seat repaired last year. Shouldn't be too much more. Headliner needs replaced, well, the new headliner, about 300 from LMC. 250, I think. That clicking sound is a actuator that controls the airflow through the vents. It stops in about 15-20 seconds. It's a $30 part up under there somewhere. Not too easy to get to, but there's lots of videos on it. There it goes. 285,000 on the odometer. The motor and trans both were rebuilt. Somewhere around 200,000 before I inherited it. It runs and drives like a new one. Transmission, no issues. Power windows, locks, everything works. Oh, sorry. It's a clean little truck. Just some tiny, small little issues. Show you under the hood. If I didn't have taxes and bills and such, I would never sell it. It's been in the family since new. 5.7, 350. Nothing too fancy. Does have a little rust action going on right here. And over here, mostly from the old radiator, because it sits 29 out of 30 days. It got rusty and overflowed. But it's got another radiator in it and a heater cord. No tapping. It's a solid truck.